What up, Prestige family? This is Alex again from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm bringing you another quick tutorial about how to remove the door panel on this 2020 BMW X5. So usually we remove the door panel off so we can get the window tinting all the way down below the weather stripping, and also to do a quality work installation. As you can see, there is no gaps, very clean job. So that's why we like to remove door panels to make it look all nice and clean. So I'm just gonna show you where the screws at and to give an idea how to pop it out. I'm not gonna be able to show you the whole process because I don't have nobody to hold the camera for me, but at least you will have an idea how to do it. So first you gotta pop this out, and when you're removing it, push it out this way, because if you pull it out like that, you're gonna break this little clip right there. So just push it out this way, not push it out, not pull it out, I mean. Then you're gonna remove the cover by the door handle. There is a T20 screw right there. You're gonna remove this little cover. There is another T20, you can see it right there. Then remove this other panel. There is another T20. Remove the panel by the handle. There is two T20s. Then on the very bottom there is one T20 by the light, another one to the other side, and then it's another one right by the corner. So there will be three T20s here, two T20s there, one T20, and another T20 down here, and then one right there. So you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Then you're gonna pop it with the plastic tool from here and just work your way up, and then work your way to the other side. It is very easy to remove it, and then don't pull it out. You gotta push it up this way, and then push it up the other way. Here it is, door panel removal.